We are days away from Samsung officially unveiling their new devices, but Amazon just spoiled the party. Hi, welcome to ZGadgetReview. On August 10th, Samsung is going to have an Unpacked event. Unpacked events is where Samsung shows off the products that are going to be coming out in the fall and holiday season. So on this event, we can expect the new Galaxy Flip, the new Galaxy Fold, new Galaxy smart watches, and other things. So I am looking forward to that event. I always do coverage for that event, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the coverage. Keeping that in mind, keeping that there is going to be an event in about 5 days from when I'm shooting this video. As always, there are leaks as we get closer to the unveiling of things, and that's what just happened with Amazon from the Netherlands. Amazon from the Netherlands put up the Galaxy Z Fold 4 way ahead of time for pre-order, and so now we have information on the new upcoming device 5 days before the main event where we were supposed to see it. So let's take a quick look at the listing from Amazon and see what we learned about this upcoming foldable phone. So let's start with the size. Here in the image, as you can see, the phone when it's closed is going to be 6.2 inches. It is going to be a dynamic AMOLED Infinite O display with adaptive 120Hz refresh rates. The device is going to be wider now, 23.1 by 9, while the interior display, or the display once is unfolded, is going to be 7.6 inches. It is going to be also a little wider, and that is going to be at 21.6 by 18. It's going to have an Infinity Flex display, and it's also going to support up to 120Hz refresh rates. The hinge is going to now measure 15.8 millimeters. That means that the hinge is going to be a little bit skinnier. And when I say a little bit skinnier, it's literally 0.2 millimeters smaller than last year's. Last year was around 16 millimeters. But this also shows us that the technology is getting better when we can get a thinner and thinner device. With the ads, we also get some images of the upcoming changes to the software. And it looks like Samsung is going to be packing the new 12L. Here we can see the first image says VL RAM, I don't know German, so what that translates to is a lot of space for a lot of productivity. And then we see something about multitasking. And then as you can see, there's a bar at the very bottom of the image. And that bar is part of 12L. So under 12L, if you weren't aware of what it was, it's the newest Android version that is being created to work well with foldable devices and larger screens. If you want to know more about that, you can go to the video in the description section. And we also have confirmation that the newest device is going to be packing the new S Pen. Now, I don't know if it's going to come with a device or you're going to have to buy it separately, but here on the images, we can see that the S Pen is going to make an appearance. And we can also see a new case that is going to be, I'm sure, sold separately by Samsung, where you could store your S Pen. So if you're looking forward to this device with S Pen support, fret not, you are going to get it. Of course, the pen looks exactly the same as it did last year's, but we will have to wait until the event to know if there's any changes in that area. This gives us a rounder idea of what we can expect with the Galaxy Z Fold 4. For example, we already knew that the device most likely is going to be packing the newest Snapdragon chip. That will be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. We also know that the device most likely is going to have a 4400 milliamp hour battery. It is going to support 25 watt fast charging and is going to also have a 50 megapixel camera. Now, some things that I'm noticing with the images here from Amazon is that, of course, we're going to have a front-facing camera on the device when it's closed. If you look really closely here on the top of the device when it's closed, you can see the pinhole camera right there. But if we move to that screen when it's unfolded, I don't see a cutout there for the front-facing camera, which gives me to believe that most likely we're going to get that under-display camera again. And that's something that a lot of people did not like last year. So I will be curious to see how much of an improvement they've made this year on that department to see if that camera works better. For the most part, this looks like just a refresh of last year's device without a lot of improvements, at least on what we can see so far on the ad from Amazon in the images that we're seeing. But of course, again, we will have to wait until the main event. All right, are you looking forward to the newest Galaxy Fold device? Do you own a Galaxy Fold device? Let me know in the comment section. I also did a quick overview / review of the Galaxy Z Flip 3. I'm going to also link that in the description section. Let me know what your thoughts are on the upcoming Samsung event and products if you're looking forward to anything specific. That is it for me. Go ahead and subscribe, give us a thumbs up, it really helps the channel. Go ahead and hit that bell so you can be alerted every time we have new videos. Thank you very much for watching.